In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust padding on Squarespace. Whether you're sprucing up a personal blog or fine-tuning a professional portfolio, understanding how to adjust padding can make a significant difference in your website's overall look and feel. Padding is essentially the space inside an element, like a block, between the content and its border. Adjusting this space can help improve readability and aesthetic appeal, so let's dive into the steps. First, you want to start by logging into your Squarespace account and heading over to your home panel. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see an option labeled Edit Site. Go ahead and click on that. This action will take you into the site editor, where you can make changes to your site's design. Now, once you're in the site editor, shift your gaze to the top left corner. There, you'll find another button simply labeled Edit. Clicking this button is crucial as it enables the editing mode on your Squarespace site, allowing you to interact with the various design elements on your pages. With editing mode now active, you'll notice that different sections of your website become accessible for customization. This is where the magic happens. Look for the section where you want to adjust the padding, which could be the top, bottom, left, or right of a specific element. Each section will have sliders or input fields provided by Squarespace for adjusting these spaces. When you find the padding controls, you can use the sliders to increase or decrease the padding as you see fit. Simply drag the slider left or right to reduce or expand the space around your content. If you prefer more precision, you can manually enter values into the input fields. This allows for exact adjustments, ensuring your website looks exactly how you envisioned it. As you make changes, you'll see the adjustments happening in real time on your site. This live preview is incredibly helpful because it lets you instantly visualize how the padding adjustments affect the overall layout and design of your page. If you're satisfied with how it looks, you can finalize your changes. Remember, effective use of padding can significantly enhance your site's user experience by making your content more accessible and visually appealing. Don't be afraid to experiment with different values to find the perfect balance for your site's design. And there you have it. You've learned how to adjust padding on Squarespace, giving you more control over the appearance of your website. Happy designing!